What if your sourdough starter died tomorrow? Power outage, vacation, you forgot to feed it. Life happens. Would you have to start over from scratch? Not if you do this. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own dehydrated sourdough starter using nothing but your own existing starter. A pan, parchment paper, and your kitchen counter. No dehydrator, no fancy tools, no drama. I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I build systems, food systems, backup systems, calm systems. And dehydrated sourdough starter, that's a backup system. Here's how it works. Start with an active, bubbly starter. You want it fed and happy. Feed it about 4 to 6 hours before you want to make your starter. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Now take your starter and spread it out thin, like really thin, almost translucent. The thinner it is, the faster it dries. You're not baking it, you're not heating it. You're just letting it air dry on your counter. Leave it uncovered at room temperature, depending on humidity. It can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, even up to 72 if you live in a very humid area. When it's completely dry, it will look like brittle chips. Hard, snappy, no soft spots. If it bends, it's not done. Once it's fully dry, break it into pieces and you can store it in a jar, vacuum seal bag, or in any airtight container. That's it. You just turned your living sourdough into shelf-stable insurance. If your starter dies, you shouldn't cry. You just rehydrate it. To bring it back, take a tablespoon of flakes and add warm water. Let it sit, then start feeding it like normal. Within a few days, it's alive again. That's what I love. We don't rely on fragile systems. We build resilient ones. Fresh starter for daily bread, dehydrated starter for backup. Because in my world, food waits on me, not the other way around. If you love pantry power, shelf-stable hacks, and building food systems that make emergencies boring, follow me. And check out loadedpotato.org for more ways to stock smart and cook easy. Sourdough doesn't have to be high maintenance, it just needs a backup plan. loadedpotato.org.